Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a quick coloring supply haul. I don't do these very often anymore, but that's just because, well, I end up buying like one thing here or there. There's just not a lot to buy. So this is kind of a combination of quite a few things I have purchased over the last few months. So let's get started. First things first. There was actually a sale for these, but these are the Ohuhu Skin Tone 36 count colors. So here they are in their little case. Comes a colorless blender. Now these are all the colors that I'm actually missing to fill out this chart. I had never bought the 36 count, so that was all that I was missing, and they will actually fill in all of these. Like you can see them, the YR, there's some R colors, but yeah, they were basically, see here on this cool nifty little chart I have here, it says only available in the 36 skin tone set. Those are the ones I was missing, so now I can actually finish filling out that chart. I just keep an eye out for sales and snag them when I can. But yeah, if you want all of your Ohuhu markers, then you do have to buy the large set, the 36 gray tone set, the 36 skin tone set, and then also, unfortunately, some of the pastel sets. There's some overlap. I need to make a video on that one day. But just so you know, you can get those. Now, this is a 2-pack, but it is these Flare Extra Sparkle Gel Pens. I shared a link on my community post because you can get this 2-pack for like $5. I'll link everything in the description below, but it was like a killer deal. I use these for journaling. The gold and the silver I use for coloring, but the other ones I use for journaling. And $5 for 2 packages. Wow, can't talk. Speaking of, these ones were also on sale. I have done a video comparing the Link and the Flare. I love both of them. Again, I use them for journaling. The silver and gold I use for my coloring accents. But yeah, it was just kind of funny because these also had a sale not too long ago. So I grabbed these two and then the other 2-pack. So I'm set, although I journal a lot, so who knows. Then I grabbed the 24 count Colors of the World. Now this is the 24 I'm missing to complete my Crayola set, so I have a swatch chart for those that I'll need to fill out, but I was waiting for them to come back in. It looks like they have a good array of colors too, so I'm definitely gonna have to swatch those, and then probably do a whole portrait with them. I think that would be kind of fun, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. As usual, I order from Blick to get my open stock. Now there has been a lot of nasty debates on open stock, and Prismacolor and Blick are not helping the situation. They are indeed changing how they handle open stock, but you can still get open stock at Blick. So yeah, it's becoming a hassle. But anyway, I got 2 amethyst and 2 orchid. That's all I got this time. However, I do have an order, like a cart currently going, because I'm running low on a ton of open stock, and I didn't even notice till I started getting back into coloring and was like, oh crap, I'm out of like all of these colors. So those are the 2 new purples that they had replaced. Okay, books. Again, these are over the last few months. A couple of these are from this month. But there is a flip through on my channel of this one. This is Brambly Hedge, a festive coloring book. So if you want to see the whole flip through, just check out the video on my channel. Same thing here, Flights of Fancy. It was the new Camilla de Erico book. I did a full flip through. I need to color in it. It's too cute, too cute. I also purchased Kaleidomorphia. Now, I think I did a full flip through of this one when it came out. Here's the page I'm still working on from my live stream. Basically, I picked 2 color cards at random, and I've been coloring this page. It looks so cute. I need to finish this. Whips are my life. I also got the Fairy Tales and Folklore. This is a reprint of her original plus a couple new images. There is a full flip through on my channel. It's a great book, well made, hardcover, great paper. So yeah, I definitely recommend that if you can. Again, I'll leave links in the description below. Now, 2 new goodies. I couldn't do my haul video till these showed up, and they showed up on release day. Ugh, Amazon loves me this year. Alright, Magical Worlds by Johanna Basford. Every book she releases gets better. I cannot show you this right now because I'm going to do a flip through, and I don't want to open it yet until I do my flip through. But it literally just came. I was literally waiting for Amazon to drop these off so I could finish this video. Thank you, Amazon. Also, another brand new book. I will be doing a flip through right after I film this. Small Town Charm by Teresa Goodridge. I had it on pre-order. It released today as well. Again, I'm not going to open it because I want to do a flip through and be surprised with you guys. Yee! Cheap thrills, okay? But yeah, that is my haul for the last, I'd say, quarter, if not longer. More books than I would normally get. I've been more picky these days, although I have tons of books pre-ordered, from Teresa Goodridge books to some more mythographic. I often don't get coloring supplies if it's not me replacing things like, you know, open stock pencils and whatnot. However, these skin tone ones, they had a great deal on them, and so I finally snagged them, and this was like 2 months ago. So always keep an eye out for that. But I'd love to know how your hauls are going. I don't do the big hauls anymore because I just have, well, I have everything possible, and in fact I need to declutter a lot of my coloring supplies, which is on my massive list of things to do. But that's another day. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, take care. Bye now.